Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fry lion's mane. First, gently clean your lion's mane mushroom with a damp cloth, ensuring all debris is removed. Next, slice the mushroom into half-inch thick pieces. This thickness helps ensure even cooking and a delightful texture. Finally, pat the slices completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step prevents steaming and promotes a crispy exterior. Now let's get those mushrooms ready for frying. In a shallow bowl, whisk 1 large egg with 1 tablespoon of water to create an egg wash. In another bowl, combine 1 cup of seasoned flour with a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Dip each lion's mane slice into the egg wash, ensuring full coverage, then dredge it thoroughly in the seasoned flour mixture. It's time to fry. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the breaded lion's mane slices into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Your delicious fried lion's mane is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a spicy aioli or a tangy marinara. Garnish with some fresh herbs, like chopped parsley or chives, for an extra burst of flavor and visual appeal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.